Wildfires, flooding, hurricanes, sea level rise. Catastrophic climate change is already affecting lives around the planet.
This is climate change.
And the world is waking up. We must protect rainforest and take climate action together. Cool Earth works alongside a global network of rainforest partnerships, sharing the best ways to reduce deforestation worldwide and empower those that call rainforest home.
Para mí el bosque es mi vida.
By supporting local people, we're investing in Earth's future for the better. It's time to take climate action together.
Climate action.
Together.
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 Together.